Hey there, early birds and sleepyheads. Let's talk breakfast. It's the most important meal of the day, right? But who has time for a big fuss in the morning? Not me, and probably not you either. That's why I'm so excited to share my go-to breakfast, the scrambled egg breakfast wrap. It's quick, it's easy, and boy is it delicious. Mornings can be crazy. Kids to get ready, emails to check, dogs to walk. But skipping breakfast? That's a no-go in my book. Your body needs fuel to start the day right. And that's where this wrap comes in handy. It's like a little bundle of energy you can take on the go. So, are you ready to revolutionize your mornings? Let's dive into the scrambled egg breakfast wrap recipe. Trust me, it's so easy. You'll wonder why you haven't been making it all along. Let's get cracking. Alright folks, let's talk ingredients. The beauty of this wrap is that you probably have most of these in your kitchen already. No need for a special trip to the store. Here's what you'll need for one wrap. Feel free to double or triple as needed. First up, the stars of the show, eggs. You'll need 2 large eggs per wrap. They're packed with protein and will keep you going strong. Next, grab a large flour tortilla. I like the whole wheat kind for extra fiber, but use whatever you prefer. Don't forget a splash of milk, about a tablespoon. It makes the eggs extra fluffy. Now, let's talk seasoning. A pinch of salt and pepper is all you really need. Optional toppings are where you can get creative. Shredded cheese, veggies, or even a dash of hot sauce. The sky's the limit. Okay, let's get prepping. Don't worry, this part is super quick and easy. First things first, gather all your ingredients. Having everything within reach will make the process smooth sailing. Now, crack those eggs into a bowl. Add your splash of milk, salt, and pepper. Time to whisk. Beat those eggs until they're well combined. You want to see a uniform yellow color with no streaks of egg white. While you're at it, let's get those optional toppings ready. If you're using cheese, grate it now. Chop any veggies you plan to add. Having everything prepped beforehand will make assembly a breeze later on. Now let's talk tortillas. If yours are straight from the fridge, warm them up a bit. You can do this in the microwave for about 10 seconds or in a dry skillet over low heat for a minute. Section 4. Cooking up scrambled perfection. It's showtime. Let's cook those eggs. Place a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Add your pat of butter or drizzle of oil. Let it melt and coat the pan. Pour in your egg mixture. Let it sit for about 30 seconds. Now here's the key to perfect scrambled eggs, low and slow. Use a spatula to gently push the eggs from the edges to the center of the pan. Tilt the pan to let the uncooked egg flow to the sides. Keep this up, stirring gently and frequently. You'll see the eggs start to form soft curds. If you're adding veggies, now's the time. The whole process should take about 2 to 3 minutes. You want your eggs to look moist and glossy. Section 5. Wrap it up. Assembly time. Alright, we're in the home stretch. Let's put this wrap together. Lay your warm tortilla flat on a plate or clean surface. If you're using cheese, sprinkle some in the center now. The residual heat from the eggs will melt it perfectly. Spoon your scrambled eggs onto the tortilla. Aim for the center, leaving about an inch of space around the edges. If you're adding any cold toppings like diced tomatoes or avocado, now's the time. Now for the fun part, wrapping. Fold the bottom of the tortilla up and over the filling. Then, fold in both sides. Finally, roll the wrap up from the bottom. Ta-da! You've got yourself a perfect breakfast wrap. This whole process from prep to plate takes less than 10 minutes.